Good morning, class 2. Today we are going to start our new chapter, chapter number 8 Fun at the Pool. Means we will study, we will understand in this chapter good touch and bad touch. So I am going to start. Amir and Jara were excited. They were going swimming. The swimming pool was close by. They reached quickly and changed. Amir and Jara jumped into the pool. Brr, the water is so cold. If you swim, you won't feel so cold. Okay, so this is a story of two children, Amir and Jara. They were very excited to swim in the swimming pool. They went there with their mother and they were very excited. After changing their clothes, because we know when we are going for swimming we have to wear the swimsuit. After changing the clothes, they jumped into the pool. Then one of them said, "Oh, the water is very cold." Then the other children said, Miss Zara said, "If you will start swimming, you will not feel so cold." They played many games in the pool. Their mother tossed a coin far away. They had fun looking for the coin. They played with a ball. It was so much fun. Means Amir and Jara were playing a lots of game in the pool, water games. Then after that, their mother tossed a coin. Means their mother said, "I am tossing a coin in the pool. You have to go and find the coin. You have to go and look the coin." Then they play with the ball also in the pool. After that, soon it was time to go home. Zara tried removing her swimsuit. "Oh no, Mama, please help me. I can't take off my swimsuit." Zara's mother was outside. She didn't hear her. The lady attendant asked Zara if she wanted help. Zara asked the attendant to call her mother. Then what happened? After enjoying a lot in the pool, Zara gone and just tried to remove her swimsuit, but she was unable to remove the swimsuit. Then she was asking help from her mother, but her mother was outside. That's why she is not able to listen the Zara's voice. Then one attendant came. What is the meaning of attendant? Attendant is a person who helps us in a public places. If we are facing any type of problem, their duty is to solve our problem. They are helper, okay? Like the way we are, there are lots of helper, no? Attendant is like a helper, okay? So then attendant came and said, "Zara, can I help you?" Then Zara said, "No, you just call my mother." What she said? "You just call my mother. She will help me to remove the cloth." So, what is the situation? Two children, Amir and Zara, were enjoying in the swimming pool. After the enjoyment, Zara was gone to remove her clothes, but she was unable to remove her clothes. Then, one attendant, who is helper, came and said, "Zara, can I help you to remove the clothes?" Then Zara said, "No, ma'am. You just please call my mother. She will help me." Zara's mother helped her, changing her clothes. "Zara, I am glad you called for me. You remembered the touch rules." "Yes, Mama. I wondered what to do. Then I remembered that no one should see or touch your private part. So I asked for you." "Good thinking, Zara." So then her mother came and helped her to remove the clothes and said, "Zara, it is very good that you remembered the touch rules." So, children, what is touch rule? Touch rules means our no one is allowed, no outsider, no stranger is allowed to touch or see our private parts. Okay? They are not allowed to touch or see our private parts. Only our parents are allowed to see or touch our private parts. Okay, so that is the touch rule which Zara mother has taught her, and that rule Zara had learnt very nicely. So when attendant said, "Yes, Zara, I will help you in removing the clothes," then Zara said, "No, ma'am, please call my mother. She will help me." So Zara didn't allow that outsider or that stranger to remove her clothes. As the touch rule says, we don't have to allow any outsider to see or touch our private parts. Clear? So this chapter is about good touch and bad touch. Now, what is good touch and what is bad touch? Come to page number 96. There is some rules are given. What is our private parts? The part which is covered by a swimsuit are your private parts, like this. Okay? What is the touch rules? Only your parents is allowed to touch or look at your private parts. If your doctor has to check your private parts, your parents will tell, only then he or she will check. Now, what is good touch and what is bad touch? Good touch means if the touch makes you feel good, if the touch makes you feel comfortable, that is good touch. But if some touch makes you feel bad, makes you feel hurt, that is bad touch. Means if you are playing with your friend and one of your friend beat you or either you beat him, that is bad thing. Okay, you don't have to like this. Clear? So good touch means that makes us feel good, like when our parents hug us. Okay, when our parents touch our cheeks and love us, if our teacher hug us, if our teacher congratulate us, if our teacher shakes hand with us, a friend shakes hand with us, all are good touch. But if someone touches you like this, that is bad touch. This is bad touch. If any stranger want to touch you, say no, and then immediately you have to inform your father, mother, or your elders. Clear? So, what is good touch? Good touch that makes us feel good, comfortable, and bad touch that you don't like. Understand? Clear? So, in this chapter, we had understand about the good touch and bad touch. Our private parts is not allowed to be seen by any others. Only our parents are allowed to see our private or touch our private parts. Is it clear? So, if any touch makes you uncomfortable, that is bad touch. And if anyone touches you and makes you comfortable, that is good touch. Clear? Now, come to page number 97. There are some pictures are given, children. Very interesting. Now, in this picture, you have to tell whether what is good touch and what is bad touch. You have to color it. Okay? This is good touch or bad touch. Mother loves her child. This is good touch. And one of the friend hurts another friend by doing like this. Okay? Hold his hand very tightly. That is bad touch. Grandfather loves his grandson. It is good touch. And one of the friend just pulls the hair of another girl. That is bad touch. So in this chapter, what is good touch? This both are good touch and these are bad touch. So in this you have to color the good touch. So color this to one. Okay. You don't have to color this. Understand? Now, page number 98. What will you do in the following situation? Some situation is given. What you will do? Your teacher extends her hand towards you to congratulate you. Means your teacher wants to congratulate you. This is good thing, no? Your teacher wants to appreciate you, praise you. Then what you will do? You will just extend your hand towards your teacher and you will shake hand with your teacher and thank her. Okay? A friend pinches you on the playground like this. What you will do? You will not fight with them. You will say, don't do like this, and tell them to stop immediately. Your father raises his hand to give you a high five when you win a game. Your father is doing like this. Means this is good thing, no? So you will also raise your hand and give the high five. You don't like a person touching you. What you will do? You don't like this. Some stranger, some another person want to touch you. What you will do? You will tell immediately to your parents. So, in homework, you have to color this too. I will send the attachment for this. You have to do this one and this one also. Okay, what you have to do in this? Read these sentences. If you think it is a good touch, color the box green. If it is a bad touch, color the box red. Then for each situation, find the sticker which explains why it is good touch or a bad touch. Okay. Your mother comforts you when you are upset. This is good touch or bad touch? This is a good touch. So you have to color it with green. You have to color this green. Your friend shakes hands with you. This is good touch or bad touch? This is good touch. You will color the box green. You don't like someone touching you. This is good touch or bad touch? Bad. You will color the box red. The person wants to keep touches secretly. He wants to touch your private parts. This is bad touch. So you will color the box red. Now, what you have to stick here? So page 99, you will go in the back of your book, and in here means after page number 128, it is given. So you have to remove this like this from here. Okay, then you have to stick there with the situation. What was the first? Your mother comforts you when you are upset. So what you will paste? You will paste a hug from our parents and grandparents make us feel good. It is a good touch. This one you will paste in first. Next is your friend shakes hands with you. A handshake with a friend makes us feel happy. It is a good touch. You will paste this one in second. Third one, you don't like someone touching you. If you don't like person touching us, we should say no and inform our parents immediately. A person wants to keep touches secret. Touches are never a secret. They should not make us feel unsafe or comfortable. So, this one you have to color the good touch with green, bad touch with red, and from back side you have to stick the picture. Paste here the pictures which is given here. Okay. So, go through the video, then do page number 97, 98 and 99 in book itself. Thank you and have a nice day.